Hello. My name is Liam. I will be your virtual teacher in this introductory course on data analysis using the Python language. Data analysis is a broad and multidisciplinary concept. With this course, you will learn to take your first steps in the world of data analysis. I will show you mainly concepts related to exploratory data analysis. But don't be fooled. Exploratory data analysis, or ADA, is a powerful tool which lays the foundations for more advanced analysis, say of the predictive type. So, if you are interested in learning or improving your skills in data analysis, this is the right place to start. Let me introduce you to our specialist. He is Christian Cisney, specialist in statistics and informatics, with more than 20 years of experience. He has collaborated with numerous banking institutions in the region. He has developed custom applications using statistical models for budgeting and income forecasting. He writes about data analytics on his personal blog and LinkedIn. And he is an enthusiast at heart. The course begins by explaining basic concepts about data and its properties, univariate measures as measures of central tendency and dispersion. And it ends with more advanced applications like regression, correlation, analysis of variance, and other important statistical techniques. You can review the first lessons that I have published totally free for you. And you can evaluate the content of the course in detail. Thank you for your attention. And see you in class.